Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know what it is, so if you're feeling this look, stay tuned, keep watching. Hey you guys, it's chelleyvelle. Welcome back to my channel. I know the setup is a little different. I now have my desk kind of facing the window. I love it. It's like very therapeutic for me to kind of see out in nature, kind of see what the neighbors is doing, okay? And then you guys can just see the background to like my place and whatnot. Before we get started, you guys already seen the title of this video, so you already know what it's about, but be sure you go ahead and subscribe. Click that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and definitely leave a comment on any questions. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And I will also be inserting some clips as well on how I basically prepped this wig before installing it, okay? So today we're gonna be talking about the BeauDiva wig that I personally purchased on Aliexpress. I have it right here on my mannequin head, and I'll be, like I said, inserting clips on it. So this is the wig. Make sure that you guys can see that. All right, I purchased an 18-inch. I'm short, you know what I'm saying? I'm 5'3", so I tend to not really wear wigs that are a little bit past maybe 20 inches. So I got myself an 18-inch. I went ahead and washed it, made sure I, definitely gave it a thorough deep conditioning. The one thing I would say about this wig, it was shedding a lot, okay, as expected. I mean, it is a human hair wig, but it was expected. It was shedding a little bit more than I would say my previous wigs would, okay? Other than that, I really like it, guys. I forgot to record me bleaching the knots, so please don't come for me. But you'll see the inside of it, okay? It's freshly washed, so I haven't put any products in it just yet. But we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on for you, okay? So first, I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this satin scarf. You have an option if you don't feel like tinting the knots, or I should say bleaching the knots. You can get a tinted lace spray. I got this at the beauty supply store. It does come in 3 shades. This is a light warm brown. I'm gonna see how it looks up against the the stocking cap I'm about to put on. 1 second. If you see me looking over here, it's because, let me flip this. All right, it's because I'm looking at my iPad. I'm using it as a mirror so I can kind of see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Now another thing I noticed about this wig, it feels a little short. I mean, it doesn't feel like I have that much room in the back. Now I didn't sew the elastic bands, so I'm gonna have to get some pins real quick. Yeah, because I didn't sew on the elastic bands. I'll probably end up doing that later. You want to get yourself, this is what I use. This is the bedhead mini, hard head spray. So this is what I'm going to use right on the hairline. Pretty much cut the lace. Now it already comes pre-plucked, so you don't have to really do much. Like this so it doesn't run. Should have cut a little bit more of that, but it's okay. cutting that. So right now I'm just going ahead and cutting some hair close to the hairline. I will take my tweezer and kind of tweeze that out so I can go ahead and create baby hairs. You don't need to do this. Like I said, the wig already comes pre-plucked. I'm just doing that to kind of slim down my forehead. You know, a girl got a big forehead and all, so. But yeah, like I said, it's optional to do that. You don't have to put baby hairs if you're not comfortable with it. Also, like I said about this spray, this one in particular leaves a shiny residue. I normally use Got To Be spray. It doesn't, but you just want to be mindful of it and just kind of wipe it so that it doesn't leave that shininess left behind on your forehead. And can I just say, I would totally rock this hair with no product in it. Like, I love the big, soft, fluffy, wavy look as well. So you don't have to put gel and product in it. I'm just doing it for the purpose of you seeing how the hair is in one state when it's dry and also when you put product in it. But it is beautiful and nice and soft. So yeah, like I said, I'm using the edge brush to go ahead and apply my baby hairs. I am using the Got To Be paste, however. I'm not using the spray from the bedhead. I'm actually using the Got To Be paste that's in a tube to go ahead and create these baby hairs. I'm not a pro at it, but I do what I can. So let me turn to show you what the back looks like before putting the product in. It's very poofy and curly. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take my continuous hairspray, really kind of mist the hair. I like the continuous spray because it's not like I'm hosing down and I'm gonna be dripping. I can really control how much water I'm putting in my hair so that it has like a nice dampness to it and it's not like soaking wet. Next, I'm gonna apply some curls, Blueberry Bliss. I really love how this smells, y'all. It smells so good. It has argan oil in it. It really keeps the hair and the curls shiny throughout the day. So just taking a little bit and just applying it all over. It's really nice for the hair. As I'm running my fingers through the hair, I am noticing that it is still shedding. So I gotta say that's the downfall of this wig, is that it's still going to shed a little bit. But you know, once the gel kind of dries, you don't really have to worry about it because it's like you shouldn't be running your fingers through it anyways. But that's just something I'm noticing as I'm like running my fingers through it. I'm noticing some strands on my fingers. Even if I were to use a brush, which I will, it's the same thing. Overall, the hair is really nice, you know, it's soft. I'm not getting any detangles, and I'm using a Tangle Teezer type of brush. I'm not really getting any snags at all, so, you know, it's definitely smooth and silky. And you just gotta maintain your wigs. If you want longevity out of it, you gotta treat human wigs like you would your human hair. You gotta make sure you shampoo, condition, and every now and then do a little deep conditioning on it just to preserve the lifespan. Girl, I don't know what happened. Like, the mixture between the mousse and the gel was not working, so either choose one or the other. I, in particular, would choose the gel. Now this is optional, which is putting a little bit of foundation powder on the hairline and in the parting space. I'm just doing that because I can see that my stocking cap is still a little translucent through the lace, but once again, this is optional. That's about it concerning this hair. Like I said, I'll put everything in the description box on where you can get it on Aliexpress. I like it, you know, I just wish it didn't shed so much, but you know, that's just what it is. The price wasn't too bad as well. Really pretty. It definitely took when it came to bleaching the nuts. I think I might have left it on just a little bit too much. I can always go back with a little bit of powder right there on the parting space if I wanted to just kind of clean up some of that goldenness. But other than that, I really love this. I live in a hot climate, so I love whenever I'm wearing some kind of a Brazilian wavy or curly hair. It's just a quick get up and go. I don't sleep with my wigs, so I take them off every evening. I put it on, you know, my mannequin head. I will go ahead and basically wet it down. I can do my prepping in terms of like my gel or whatever I want to, or my mousse, and then I just let it dry overnight so that in the morning time all I have to do is just pop it on my head and I'm good to go. So this was just a little quick cleanup. I didn't do too much. I'm not the best at doing baby hair, so please but I try to do a little bit of something up front just so it looks a little bit natural. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm just trying to move in. I know the lighting is a little bit bright, but yeah, guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this hair. If you have this hair, if you're interested in purchasing it. Like I said, it's cute. I've had it now for, I would say this would have been maybe my fifth or sixth time wearing this hair. So, you know, it is fairly new. Ooh, honey. Tuck it now. Ugh, I think when I take it off, I'm gonna end up cutting that a little bit. And definitely when I take this off, I gotta sew the elastic band. Guys, this is 18 inches. As you can see, it just comes up to about here. Remember, 18 inches is when they stretch the hair. Okay, when they stretch it and have a ruler, that's what they're saying is 18 inches. But you all know when it comes to curls, shrinkage is gonna be there. So, like I said, let me know what you guys think about this hair. I like it. It's my go-to. I've been wearing it almost every single day if I could just pop it on. So once again, be sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up if you are interested in this video and you like the content. Thank you to all of you guys that have left comments. I've tried my best to respond to all of them. Thank you for subscribing and leaving all that positive energy. I really appreciate it. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.